This weather update is powered by Alliance Maintenance.
Good morning, everybody. 9 o'clock update, Thursday, April 2nd. Nothing going on today. This is really a models video. We're really going to discuss the slight risk for tomorrow. We're looking at an evening, early overnight event across the area. All modes of severe weather, possible even EF2 potential. All right, let's switch over. We'll look at SPC's data and then we'll look at the model roll before we get going. Let's backtrack. Bear with me here. There we go. All right, so everybody's under slight risk tomorrow. We're breaking this down just a little bit here. This is tornado potential. This hatched area here is something new that the SPC is doing. That's called SIG category, significant category. This is EF2 strength area, but we're under the marginal risk for that, or low risk. So we have a low chance of seeing an EF2 tornado tomorrow. Is that clear as mud? Hold on, my telestrator. There we go. And then moving over to hail, we're kind of in the medium risk for hail, and the hatched area is up to lime-size hailstones. So if we see this, that's pretty intense. All right, moving over to wind. We're in the medium risk of seeing 70-mile-an-hour winds in that hatched area. So, and then I didn't look at this, so let's just dive into it. The ERO. The ERO for tomorrow. We're under slight risk for flooding. So, with the rain that we've seen this morning on top of tomorrow's rain, yeah, I can definitely see that. All right, let's look at the model. We've got one of my solutions. This is the NSSL model run for the WRF. It does I think it's 4-hour increments, so it's not the best at cams, but it's our first cam that we can get. So this is noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4. So we've got storms firing off that cold front. This only goes to 7 o'clock, just at FYI. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and that's as far as it goes. At this point, we got storms southeast Kansas, far southwestern Missouri, and northeastern Oklahoma. Looking at this, definitely embedded rotating, so QDLS. I see hailstones with this, and quite a bit of wind with it as well. Let's see if we can get any supercell. We do have, yeah, we got a supercell environment. Let's see about the bulk, the helicities. That is the wrong helicity. Sorry, guys. There we go. So yeah, we've got hail tracks. It's going to be a full-blown circus tomorrow, especially once this gets ramped up and going. All right, so tomorrow afternoon, early evening time frame, I say by midnight it'll be out of here, and we'll just see how things go. All right, that's it for now. We'll just continue watching the updates come from SPC today and see how things evolve. But right now, definitely all modes of severe weather going to be possible tomorrow. So just keep it here for updates. All right, have a good one. We'll talk to you guys later.